Hey Glammies, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a review that a lot of people are doing right now, and I usually don't do these types of videos, but I am in love with concealer. Like, I usually don't wear foundation on a regular daily basis. I wear concealers. So I went to Sephora and I picked up the new Fenty Pro Filt'R concealers. And I also picked up the foundation because when the foundation came out, it was super hyped and a lot of people were getting it. And they just never had my shade, so I never actually was able to pick it up in stores. But now I was able to pick it up, and I got the shade 450 in the foundation, and I got the shade 420 in the concealer. So I'm just going to try it out today. So I'm going to start off by priming my face with the Pixi Skin Treats Rose Oil Blend. And I don't really use typical primers because primers tend to break out my skin. So that's why I'm just going to use. So I've been having a lot of problems with my skin, which is why you see all of these discolorations and things that I usually don't have. So let's see if the Fenty concealer and foundation are able to cover this up. So here's the foundation. I'm just going to give it a shake. And I heard it dries quickly, and I haven't worn, this is probably my first time wearing foundation in a really long time. So I'm not even really sure how I should apply this. I'm going to start by doing half of my face. So this is half of my face with the foundation and half without. And I think it looks like a really good color match. I can't even tell which side is which is kind of bad because one side should look more flawless. I guess this side looks more even now. And I think I want to use a foundation brush so I can get more coverage. So I'm just going to put it on the brush for the next side and see if that helps. Okay, so this is definitely light enough to be an everyday foundation, but I kind of feel like when I wear foundation, I want more coverage. So I'm just going to go in with one more pump. Nope, I went in with two more pumps. Okay, so now I'm just going to go in with the concealer, and the concealer has a nice doe foot applicator, and I love when concealer wands are like soft and nice. And I'm just going to put this underneath my eyes. This is a good color for me because I usually use Beautiful Bronze, which is like more of a neutral color from LA Girl Pro Concealer. And literally one wand is able to do my whole face. I don't have to dip back in. So that's really good. The product goes a long way. So now I'm just going to blend this in. I really like how this concealer looks on me, the color, and I like how it's blending out. It's like super creamy. Why is this annoying hair keep coming on my face? Okay, so under the eyes, let's see. This really gives like an airbrush finish. I like it. Okay, so this is how the foundation and the concealer looks, and I really love it. I think my skin looks really nice. My complexion looks good, and it matches my chest. Love it. So I'm just going to go in with my favorite contour color, which is by Fenty. Surprisingly, I'm in love with their matchstick in the shade Espresso. So this is what I always use to contour if I'm not using... What else do I use to contour? Like Black Radiance or one of those type of contours. This is what I'm using. So this is how it looks for now. I'm gonna do my brows and come back to you guys and see if it oxidizes a little bit or anything like that. Okay, so I did some stuff around the house. I finished my face. It's an hour later and this is how the makeup looks. I personally think that it looks flawless and I'm really hyped because my skin hasn't looked like this in a while, and like, Fenty girl, you did that. So I'm just gonna set my face because I always forget to, and I'm just gonna use the Pixi Skin Treats Makeup Fixing Mix. And I'm just gonna let that dry, and oh my gosh, this smells so good. Guys, I've been in love with Pixi Skin Treats. Okay, so this is the final review. So all in all, I really love these products. So I'm gonna keep on wearing them and I'm gonna keep on testing them, and I'm gonna see like if anything changes, if throughout the day I get too oily or whatever. And if I do, then I'll insert a little update at the end of this video. But these colors are like warm enough and neutral enough. Like, I don't know how to explain it, but I have a very neutral around the perimeter of my face undertone, and then in the middle I'm more golden. So it's always really hard to find a foundation that can do both, but this foundation is definitely like a nice, like, it's not too neutral and it's not too golden, so it looks really nice on my skin and it matches me so well. Like, do y'all see that? And this highlight is really beautiful. It covers and it like does everything that I want it to do, and it pairs super well with my matchsticks. For my highlight, I used the matchstick highlight in cinnamon, and I used espresso for my contour, which looks beautiful. So that's it, glammies. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you like the way my makeup looks. Let me know how you are feeling about the foundation and the concealer. And if you think you're around my skin color and you have like the same undertone as me, then I would go definitely with 440. And definitely if you want to have a more brightening under and like highlighted areas, then go with 420 for your highlight. Because if you go with 440 for your highlight, then it's just going to be a more natural look. And to me, this is a natural everyday look. If I would have got 440 as the highlight, I feel like that would be too monotone of a look. So yeah, I will see you guys in the next one. Love you, glammies.